Good morning, everybody. Let's do a pre-market session, live session. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. And let's look at indices, how they're doing. S&P 500 bouncing from neutral zone, going towards sell zone. I think there was news from one of the Fed presidents saying they're not looking at rate cuts soon, but whatever. It's all all lying right now, in my opinion. But anyhow, market is pricing. Market is not stupid. They're looking 6 to 1 year ahead, 6 months to 1 year ahead, and they're very bullish. All right. And seasonality wise, until Christmas or New Year, everything is pretty bullish. Anyhow, so S&P 500 now bouncing touched the neutral zone around 8:40 Eastern AM and now bouncing. Nasdaq 100 also same thing, touching neutral zone and bouncing. Wait for it to fall in the buy zone. My principle is I don't buy until things are in the buy zone at minimum. So the lower it goes, the better it is. If it is below third standard deviation, that's a no-brainer buy. Between second and third deviation is the best buy. All right. Dow Jones, same thing, bouncing from the neutral zone. Russell 2000 also touched the neutral zone and now bouncing. Crude oil, pretty bullish, just consolidating. To be honest, it's in the. Sorry, give me a second. Somebody is calling. Give me a second. How do I pause? Never mind. It's okay. Um, all right. So crude oil is between neutral zone and sell zone. CNQ pre-market. There's a gap here around 88 point. Sorry, 66.36. So at minimum, I'm looking for that's my target. So I will hold from where it closed on Friday. Let's see if I can get there by almost 2.4%. So I'll wait patiently. CNQ seasonal device. Oil miners are just getting started, in my opinion. I think they're going to be pretty bullish. Seasonality wise, oil is looking pretty bullish. If I go to daily chart, just as an example, it is pretty bullish, and you can see oil is just bouncing. You can see it got a buy signal yesterday. Even CNQ got a buy signal yesterday, a green dot here, looking for some pump on daily chart. All right, gold um, consolidating, made a higher low, bouncing. Let's go to levels. We do daily analysis end of day. For now, it's day trading. So anyhow, it's in the neutral zone. Nothing to do here. Sell in the sell zone, buy in the green zone. Silver also in the neutral zone. Nothing to do here. Natural gas near sell zone. Dollar bouncing, which is good news. You can see came to the buy zone here. Yeah, you can see now it's bouncing. So if dollar bounce, gold and Bitcoin will go down. Bitcoin is now down 1.82%, but it's in the buy zone, guys. Okay, so this is not where you should be shorting. This is where you should be looking to buy for a potential bounce. Ethereum, same thing in the buy zone, almost 3% down. Looking, you should be looking to buy here, not sell here. China was up heavily pre-market. Last night there was some news that the China Hang Seng went up. You can see I was telling everybody buy here, China, buy, buy. You can look at my daily videos and you can see gapped up, now going higher. So China is looking pretty good. Bond markets in the neutral zone. Copper just as the buy zone around 840, just bouncing. Palladium in the sell zone. Soya beans in the neutral zone. Wheat between neutral zone and buy zone. Corn near buy zone. Sugar in the neutral zone. Let's look at stocks. SPY is down 0.31%. Really? Why? I'm not sure what happened. So there's a dividend day on S&P 500. So that's just gonna throw things off a little bit. Interesting. And triple Qs did not have a dividends yet. Okay, Tesla is kind of flat in the sell zone. Netflix came close. Oh, no, did not come to the buy zone yet. Microsoft is in the buy zone. Yesterday it came, so you should be looking to buy Microsoft. Yesterday it just touched that line. Google was bouncing from the buy zone, now in the neutral zone. Facebook in the neutral zone. Amazon in the neutral zone. AMD must be all high, very, very high, all these other stocks. Gold miners, a little bit of cooling down, nothing much, but they are pumping like they've been pumping from last couple of days, significant pumps. Sector wise, I don't see any issues. Utility sector, let's see if it's gonna be in the buy zone. Let's see. Let's wait for this to load. I think there are a few couple of healthcare stocks I'm pretty interested in. Oh no, it's still in the sell zone. Healthcare XLV still in the sell zone. Uh, let's look at this one, UNH. Biggest healthcare stock is in the buy zone with a gap to close around 547. So even if you buy now, even pre-market or now, or potential of 2.4% profit. All right. Pfizer also is in the buy zone. This gap here, 28.53 from here where it closed to that gap is almost 9% up. All right. So these two stocks you should be looking to buy. Dollarama, if you're Canadian investor, is in the buy zone. All right, down 4%. I think investors are taking profit. ATD is the another one is in the buy zone. All right, so these two stocks, if you're a Canadian investor, should be looking very lucrative to you. Um, and yeah, I think that's about it. Costco, no, Coca-Cola is still higher. So yeah, everything else is pretty high. So I'm not looking to touch anything else. Uh, Bitcoin is now going in the buy zone as we speak. Ethereum also in the buy zone. All right, crude oil here, CNQ here, gold in the neutral zone. US 100, 500 now going down a bit. MES, E-mini futures, this delayed, I think 15 minutes. Uh, um, but it's in the neutral zone, 47.51 and below, look to buy this one. And then MNQ, NASDAQ, this one, look to also buy uh, below 16,680. All right, and the live market is here again in the neutral zone, and Nasdaq is also here in the neutral zone. All right, guys, good luck and happy Friday. I will see you end of day. Um, okay.